Why is my brand new furnace making a strange noise? A brand new furnace making strange noises can be concerning, but there are several potential reasons for these sounds. Here are some common explanations for unusual noises in a new furnace. Normal break-in period. In some cases, new furnaces go through a break-in period during which components settle and adjust to the initial heat cycles. This might cause minor noises that should diminish over time. Installation issues. Noises could be related to improper installation. Loose components, such as panels, screws, or ductwork, can create rattling or banging sounds. Ensure that the furnace was installed according to the manufacturer's specifications and by a qualified professional. Airflow issues. Restriction or blockage in the airflow can lead to unusual noises. Check for any obstructions in the vents and make sure that air filters are clean and properly installed. Expansion and contraction. During the initial heating cycles, components in the furnace may expand and contract, resulting in clicking or tapping sounds. This is often part of the normal operation and should subside as the furnace settles. Blower motor. The blower motor might produce humming or vibrating noises. This could be due to improper installation, loose components, or issues with the motor itself. Burner issues. Popping or booming sounds may indicate issues with the burners. This could be due to misalignment or debris. A professional inspection may be necessary to address burner-related noises. If you are experiencing strange noises from your brand new furnace, and the issue persists or is particularly concerning, it is recommended to contact the installer or the manufacturer. Furnaces typically come with a warranty, and if the noises are indicative of a manufacturing defect or faulty installation, repairs or adjustments may be covered. Avoid attempting to fix the issue yourself, especially on a new furnace, as this could void the warranty. Always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified HVAC professional to diagnose and address the problem.